You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this given name. That is a beautiful name. It derives from a Semitic word for angel, so it exists in different languages: Aramaic, also Hebrew, and Arabic. So it's going to have different pronunciations, also Turkish. So Arabic and Turkish, Malak, Malak. In English, it's often pronounced as Malik, 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 or Malak. How do you pronounce it yourself? Where are you from as well? So we know a little bit better how to pronounce it correctly in your own pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.